Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make character spacing very tight in PowerPoint to normal. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. We can see here many slides and the slide text is very tight spacing. Now we want to make the text normal. At first, select the text. Now I am click inside the text box and select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then we go to the home menu and select the character spacing option. We can see here the normal option. Now we select the make text normal. You can applying the process another text, select the text, then select the character spacing. We can see here the very tight. Otherwise you can make the text normal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.